Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Today I will showing video how to fix Samsung A20 not charging error, charging temperature too high. When connect charger, you look on the screen, red error. If you got any Samsung A20 not charging like this problem, you can fix it easy if you following my video step by step. Sometimes same problem in case charging DC port or charging IC, but A20 this problem charging error, charging temperature too high is common problem. One issue, the charging flex board. Now I will show you step by step without changing DC or charging flex board. Any Samsung, how you can know the where is right problem and how you can fix it easy. After open the phone, unplug it battery and we check it by meters. First of all, any charging problem, after open phone, we need to check the battery output voltage, how much reading in the output voltage. Look, the battery PCC positive line are voltage showing 3.0 volt, but it's not right voltage. Any Android phone are showing output voltage 4.5 or 5 volt. Here it's reading right 5 volt, but now we make this jumper. (241) is reading. (400) reading, but here not a right reading. Now we make one jumper from there to this point to this point. I will show you after jumper completed the right from where you need to jumper. I make zoom. Need shouldering well. Okay. I will make a jumper from this point. After jumper completed, I will connect again charger, then check again output voltage reading. Now right or like before, same, not right reading. I think after jumper now showing right voltage, right reading the output voltage, charging voltage. Yes, it was before 3 point, now 4.6 or 4.4, 4.5. It's been now working. Charging problem is done. Now I'll connect setup all, install all, then I connect charger. Wait few seconds. Yes, charging done.